interested in sex and anxiety research? The Sex and Anxiety Research Group, or SAX group, includes psychology professors, students, and researchers in the Faculty of Social Sciences at the University of Ottawa. I am a member of the SAX group. Together, we explore how anxiety and sexual response are connected.
We're interested in understanding when, why, and how people's anxiety might boost or stop different parts of their sexual response, including what people do and how their body responds. For example, we try to answer questions like, why does anxiety decrease some people's sexual arousal and for others it doesn't? Or how does anxiety prompt people to behave or not behave in a sexual way?
Right now, we are working on a survey study about social anxiety and technology-mediated sexual interactions. Technology-mediated sexual interactions are things like sexting, cybersex, phone sex, sex between avatars, and using haptic devices for sexual stimulation with another person. Basically, any of the things we do that involve using technology to create sexual content that features ourselves, and then sharing that sexual content or sending and receiving that sexual content with a specified other person or persons. We wonder if people who experience strong social anxiety regularly are less likely to use TMSIs that include audio-visual content and more likely to use those that are text-based. We also wonder how much TMSIs change people's sexual well-being, things like their sexual satisfaction or their sexual functioning, for example. And we wonder how much this is different or similar for people who have higher social anxiety. Before we did the survey study, we did a scoping review, which is a way of looking at as much of the literature on social anxiety and TMSIs as we could find.
Did that pique your interest? It's just a snippet of the kinds of studies we do. We tend to think about anxiety from a cognitive behavioral framework. And what that means is we think about the way people think and what they do and how that's tied to feeling anxiety or any other type of emotion. Are you a student here at the University of Ottawa interested in this kind of research? There may be an opportunity for you. Students in the SAX group typically get involved through one of the professor member labs.
So consider first whether you're more interested in the sexuality side of our research or the anxiety side of our research. Then send us an email, let us know of your interests and the opportunities that you're looking for. And those could be volunteering, Europe, it could be directed research or graduate study. And then stay tuned on this channel for more of our sex and anxiety and TMSI research.